Okay, so what's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Today just going to make a design a program which will be highly based on the basics concepts from your programming point of view, basic applications of the coding concepts you are just going to apply, and that's it. Okay, but most of the time this kind of question is highly subjected whenever anything apart from all these things. This matters the most if you are trying to build a coder career. It matters the most to be just associated with the loops, initialization, if else condition we are just going to apply, and that's it. So just going to solve it in Java platform. It's not like that you can just gross your analysis and do in any of the coding platform. That doesn't matters what algo or what pseudocode. If you are understanding it, the algorithm matters. Okay, without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. So as the thumbnail is suggesting, we are just going to find out whether an entered string is palindrome or not. Okay, so starting with this video, we are just going to, so I'm just moving in. Okay, right over here I'm just going to the command prompt. Okay, so first of all, to take the inputs, we are supposed to import the package in Java. You can carry it in case by importing two packages like the java.io package or the java.util package for the scanner class. Okay, java.util.star. So our name of the class is public class pal, and now for the main method, clear? Definitely. Okay, so we are done with it. Now will be for taking the inputs, we need the scanner class object. Okay, so we have also created the scanner class object. Now we need a print line to take the input from the user. Enter a string. Clear? Enter a string. Now we are supposed to store it. Suppose the name is the variable ss dot next line. Clear? Do it. Okay, string, we are just going to take an empty string basically, n1 equals null. That means nothing is there, it's quite empty, this string variable. Okay, and okay, so I'm just doing this for loop. Before that, moving to the for loop, okay, we need to determine the length of the string. So by invoking the length method of the string class, we can easily determine the length of the string. We need to move from the reverse manner, or from the right to left. So as we know, in array, if we are having an n size of array, then the elements will be from 0 to n minus 1. So in this case also, we'll be starting from n minus 1 to I greater than equal to 0, I minus minus. We need to run the loop in the reverse manner, and the last element will be obviously holding which index element, index position, in minus 1 obviously, and we need to run it to the base index value, or the base address value, that will be 0 definitely, and we are just going to decrement the value itself. So let's see. And now the next thing is that we need to pick, or we need to extract the each character value from the string. So how can we achieve that in case of Java? So obviously we are having a char at method of the string class, using which we can extract each individual characters from the given string. So but the return type will be char. So see, name dot char at I. Okay, so we have taken a character value, but we need to store it in the string. Suppose say n1 is the reverse string. So how to do it? Obviously, the wrapper class concept, the character, it's a character, so we need to convert it into string by invoking character dot to string, obviously, and it will take a parameter, that is the character parameter. Okay, that's it. And now it will just carry, the loop will be carried out till the string ends up. Okay, and now it will be just making the if else condition, and that's it. If n1 dot equals, we will check whether n1 is equal or same as, the string is same as the original string, then we'll be just simply printing. This message will be displayed that entered string is palindrome, right? Otherwise that will be the else condition. Simple, it's a coding format. System dot out println entered string is not palindrome. That's it. So we are done with the program, and this is a simple program, but in most of the cases, like whenever you'll be facing the interview section, they will be just asking this question. They may ask the question in the examination also, they will be asking this question in any of the basics. These are the basics in any of the language. If you are doing any program, then these are the basics: the if else, normal if else condition, the looping statement, or how to approach for this normal program. These are the basics. Okay, so I hope everything is clear right now. Okay, so now let's compile the code which we have just written right over here. After the success pre-compilation, we'll be just executing it. Okay, java c pall.java. See, successful compilation. And now let's, sorry, okay, so enter a string, like I'll be just entering a string like ja. I'll be just entering a string katak, attack. Enter string is palindrome. The reverse of this will be like this. I'll be just inserting a string like apple. Enter string is not palindrome. Now let's check it. Like in many cases you might be getting like suppose say I will be just entering like JA, capital J, capital A. Enter string is not palindrome, but you'll be getting that the symbols, whatever the symbols we have just used, they are quite identical. Whatever the reverse will be getting, that will be also same, but the single difference is that the case format. Okay, some alphabets are in the uppercase. Okay, some alphabets are in the lowercase format, but in order to avoid that thing, we are supposed to do only this one, equals method. Whenever you are calling this or means invoking the equal, just use equals ignore case. Okay, that's it. This method like I'm just using random one, entered string is palindrome. In the previous equals method, it only compares, or it only just it was doing a comparison with the entered string and this new reverse string. Each and every content will be same, that's it. It will be means returning you that the entered string is palindrome, otherwise not a palindrome. But in case of equals ignore case, it will be checking, but it won't be bothering about the case format. That will be whether it will be uppercase format or lowercase format. So the compiler will be giving you that freedom. Okay, so I can also show you some more example like this. Okay, you can see 2J and last A is capital, still you'll be getting entered string. Okay, enter string is not palindrome obviously. And now you can see another palindrome number I can show you, like that. That obviously you can see still you'll be getting enter string is palindrome. So is the format to find out whether a given string is palindrome or not. If you'll be getting this kind of program, then it will be very much easy. I just try to is that the string class, the wrapper class concept, that's it. We are, because we are just using one of the method of the string class, that char at, to pick or to extract each character. It's quite simple program, and hope you enjoyed. Subscribe button, hit the bell icon so that you'll be getting all the necessary updates from my channel, and like this video.